everyone.
Welcome back to Art for Kids.
Today we are going to show you how to make a cute giraffe. Right, Vihana, are you ready? Yes. So we both have our papers and I'm going to show you how to draw, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So first we'll draw the shapes, okay? So let's draw the face first. It's a triangle.
Square.
Yeah, square. Sorry, not a triangle. It's a square. Silly me. Yeah. And then we are going to make the mouth. It's just like an oval. Yeah. After that, we are going to do the ears. Let's do just ears. And it's totally okay if yours looks a little different than mine, but the main thing is to have fun.
Have fun.
Yeah. So then I'm just going to make a little hair like this.
I don't.
Just need to make it. It's okay.
Like that.
Yeah. And then we are going to make these two horns. So then next is to draw two eyes. So I'm going to draw two ovals and I'm going to make two little eyeballs in there like that. And then I'm going to make two nostrils and a smiley face. So this is how mine looks now.
This is my look.
Let's see how yours looks. So that's how yours looks. Looks cute, right? Yeah. So next, what do? We make the
Body.
The body. Let's make a neck. So let's make it big because it's a yeah. So let's make a giraffe like this. Okay, so it's this long. Then what is the next thing? The body.
The rest of
Yes, the rest of the body. So for this, so you see, you just need to come down from here. So extend this line like this. Yeah, just extend this line like this. Maybe a little more, Vihana. Yes, and after that, I'm just going to make an oval like this. And then you come and meet here. Yes, so that's his body, right? So next, what do we have? We have 4 legs and a tail, right? So let's make a tail over here. Just a line. Now that's his tail. Yeah, and then after we need to make 4 feet, right?
Yeah.
So let's first make a line so that we know where the feet needs to end. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. So we are doing the first 2 feet, the front feet. And then this one is the second feet. Yeah, and then the 2 feet at the
Back.
back. And then if you want, we can do it like this to show that this one is the front. So just make a shape like that, or you're just fine. And then the giraffe's body has all these square parts, so we're just going to make these squares and triangle designs inside, spots.
You can also do other shapes if you want.
Yeah, you can do any shapes you like. And there we have our giraffes. So next thing, let's draw a tree.
Okay.
So it's like standing in the shade of a tree. Okay, let's draw a tree next. So we just draw a line that goes down, and then you can make a branch like this on the top. And then this is the other side. And then we can make some more branches if we want, and then let's do some leaves. And then right in the middle I'm drawing a horizon line, and then I'm just drawing some bushes at the back if you want.
I already made this in my hair.
Okay, so then we can make some bushes and maybe a sun. You want to do a sun?
Yeah.
Let's do a sun. Done. And so that's how our giraffe looks. Yeah, so now we are gonna color it. So you can use any colors. We are going to use color pencils to paint the giraffe, and then we are going to do the background with our watercolors, right? Yeah. So let's do yellow. I'm going to do yellow for the body of the giraffe.
Me too.
And then I'm going to do the spots with the brown color.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, so I'm starting with the
I'm starting with this one.
you're starting with the brown.
It's easier then.
Yeah, okay. So we colored the giraffe, and now this is how it looks. And for all the background, we thought we'll do watercolor because then our fingers don't hurt. Yeah. So let's get some water and let's do the background now.
Okay.
So let's do the sky first with blue.
Oopsie. Mine has too much water.
That is fine. We just spread the water. Just have fun with it. So we are done with our paintings. Are you ready to show how it looks? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yay! So this is how Vihana's painting looks. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and do try this at home with your kids. And if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.